guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be recreating this look using the Morphe 3502 palette. So I went ahead and did my brows off camera and applied 95 under eye concealer all over the lid, and the first color that I have taken onto my 6SS brush is Orb, and I am just buffing that in the crease using window wiper motions and circular motions. The next color that I have taken onto my 6SS brush is Heat, and this time I am keeping it a little bit lower and I am just buffing that in, still using the same motions as before. Guys, so this step is very important. Be very mindful of when you are blending the shadows that you are not over blending, because you still want to be able to see the different shades that you have used on your eyes. What I'm doing now is I'm building up the color till I am satisfied with how it looks. Still using the same brush, I picked up the color Chestnut, and this time I am focusing more on the lower part of the crease and the outer corner. So I went ahead and cut the crease off camera using 68 gel liner on a 22T brush, and still using the same brush I picked up the color Polished, and I'm just placing that on the center of the lid. So with a clean 16pp brush I am buffing the shimmery shadow into the others, and I will be taking WHIZ on my 10S brush and placing it on the outer corner, and I will be blending that out with my 6SS brush. So I'm just going back and forth between the brushes till I am satisfied with the blend and the intensity of the colors. So the next shade I have picked up is Pure, and I am just patting that on the inner part of my lid using my 22T brush. So with whatever is left on the brush, I am just going back and forwards till I am satisfied with the blend between the two shadows. So I went ahead and cleaned under my eyes and applied 95 under eye concealer, and on a 13P brush I am taking the color Chestnut and just blending that underneath my eyes. On my 16pp brush I took the color Heat and then Orb and lightened underneath the eyes, and then on my ZOEVA 238 brush I picked up the color Zippy and applied that to my waterline. Still using the same brush I picked up the color Pure and just packed that in my inner corner. So you can go ahead and curl your lashes and apply your favorite mascara to them, and the one that I am using is They're Real by Benefit. This is the final look. Thank you all so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and keep an eye on my Instagram if you guys want to find out how to enter my giveaway, which will be happening very soon.